In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube cover image. Now we're going to be using Snappa.com for this, and the reason why I use Snappa.com is because it has a template that you can use for the YouTube cover images. Now if you've ever created a YouTube cover image, you know that it can be a really grueling process because you have to get it to fit exactly right for it to show up well on a computer, a mobile, and a TV. They've got 3 different sizes and 3 different ways that you can purpose your images so that it will look best on a desktop, it will look best on a mobile, and it will look the best on a TV. So the reason why I use Snappa is because it has a really good template in there. So start at Snappa.com. The link's down below in the description box. Just click on that. You'll go to this website here. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up for it. You don't have to pay anything. You can upgrade it if you want. You don't have to do that. So everything's in here that you need. So once you've signed up and you're in there, you're going to get this screen here. It says create a graphic. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down here, and you can do all kind of different things with this. You can do Facebook posts and links and Pinterest stuff and Twitter stuff, Instagram. It's really, really cool, the stuff that you can do. You can do infographics with it. But for sake of demonstration here, I'm going to do the YouTube banner. And you'll just scroll down a little bit until you find the YouTube icon, and you will click on the YouTube banner here. And you can do a template, or you can create an image from scratch. So let's go ahead and scroll down here just to see what kind of templates there are. This is a really cool one, Take Flight. Let's see what we can get started with. So I'll use that one because this looks pretty cool. Okay. So as you can see here, it's giving you your viewing areas. So the TV only area is the whole image. The desk, see where it says desktop safe, and it is this big strip that going all the way across. And then we also have a mobile safe area, which I don't see that. It doesn't say mobile safe area, but it's the part that's really, really bright here in the center. And let me go back here real quick, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to click on just a new one. And as you can see here, this is the template that you're going to be using. The TV only area, and then the desktop safe area, and then the one in the middle here is your mobile area. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to open this back up. And this is really, really simple to use. You don't have to know much about graphic design or anything like that in order to be able to do this. So basically all you would need to do is you can put in your background. So you can put in different background images here. So say you wanted to do this, or you can upload your own. You can search images. I'm going to do dog. We'll see what we get. Let's see, something that might look good in the middle here in the center. Let's try this one. Yeah, he's too big. Let's take this one out. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and create from scratch. We'll create it from scratch. Go background, and we're going to put dog. I'll put dog one here. This one might not be too bad. Okay. You want to get something that's lit in the middle here, because that's where most of your viewers are going to come from. Most of your viewers are going to come from mobile and desktop. So I really focus on those 2 areas right here. I'm going to look down here a little bit further and see. Maybe that one might be a little bit better. Oh, that one's a good one. Okay, we'll put that one. And then we can put patterns. We can do patterns if we want. This is all background, so let me go to graphics here, and I want to let's see if I can put some paw prints in here. There's some paw prints. Let's see. I'm just going to do something really simple just to show you how it works. So we'll do paw prints here. We'll make it smaller. We'll put it here in the middle, and we can do we'll change the color. Custom, I don't think that's pure black. It's not. Okay, we'll put pure black, or we can do any other color that we want. We just select the color, and we can do greens. We can do all kind of colors, but for now I'm just going to make it black. Actually, I'm going to make it brown. We'll try to make it a brownish color here. That looks pretty close to brown. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's see if we can copy and paste it. We'll duplicate it. We can. I just did the copy paste on the computer, and we duplicated it. And we can add text to it. We can add a heading, and we'll just put like dog news, and we can make this white. We can put a shadow here if we want. Make it look a little bit better. We can make it bigger. Let's go ahead and make the font bigger here. Okay, so this will would be my title of my channel, dog news. You can make it a little bit bigger here. We'll put it here, and then we'll add some more text. I'll do a subheading. The best dog news on the internet. Okay, and I'm going to make this to where it's one line. So I'm going to stretch this over. This program is very, very, very easy to use. Very easy to use. And all you have to do is just play around with it. And we're going to make this a little bit bigger here. So then I have to stretch it out a little bit more. Okay, best dog news on the internet. And we will, there we go. And then what we can do here is we can do a shape. And we'll do a square, and I will make this about this size to cover up this. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send this back, so I want this behind my text. So I'm going to move the layer back behind the text. And just to make this show up a little bit better here. And I'm going to change the color on this. I'm going to make it black. Okay. So, of course, you can play around with it if you want. So I wanted to show you that the main reason why I use Snappa is because I can easily do this template. It's got this template in here. I won't have to keep uploading it to YouTube and then seeing what it looks like in there and making little changes. I know that once I download this and upload it to YouTube, this is exactly what it's going to look like on my channel. So this Snappa is the easiest program that I have found to use to do YouTube cover images. So like I said, play around with this. There's lots of things to do in here. There's lots of graphics and shapes in here. So you can do their own photos. These are stock photos, so they're free to use. You can use these however you want. So just play around with it, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like below. Also subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be having more how-to videos in the future of how to do certain things in YouTube, Facebook, and some other social media platforms. So subscribe to the channel. Stick around with me for those. It's going to be real fun. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.